right, guys, Uncle Mike 392. I'm out here in Bethany this morning, Saturday morning. I'm out here in Bethany. They got a street car show out here. Out here on College Road out here. Out here in Bethany. And I'm right across the street from Bridgely Hall. I guess it's Bridge Hall. I'm out here in Bethany, I'm sorry. So where did I start out? Okay, I got that one. I got these. So now I'm going to start right here at this 1950 Cadillac, two-door. I ain't going to even try to pronounce that word. I ain't going to even try to pronounce that word.
Good morning.
Huh?
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am. Is this your car?
No, it's
this
that
is?
guy's right down there with the salmon shirt on.
Oh, okay. I see it right there with the golf hat on.
Yeah, it's a nice car.
It's beautiful. Ooh, this is beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Good morning, sir. Look at this Cadillac, man. This thing is awesome. Thank you, Lord. You made all this possible for me to be out here filming this, Father. Thank you, Lord. Praise your glorious, wonderful name. Thank you, Lord Jesus. Whose is it? This yours, sir? This yours, sir?
That's his.
It's beautiful, man. What year is this?
50.
50. Got 110 on the dash. Got a lot of aftermarket stuff in here. Look at this.
I'm not going to show who that gas. We're going to go down there, but I'm going to stay on this side of the road.
If the price is right.
Hey, I remember you.
Doing her card.
What does that mean? What does this word mean? What is that? Is it German?
It's German. It looks German. I don't know what it means. It looks
I'm gonna have to look it up when I get home.
Yeah.
Yeah. When I finish, I got to. Once I see something, I gotta know what it means. It'll stay on my head all the rest of the day. Did you find it?
It's Swedish, actually.
Swedish.
Yeah. English translation of black, however you say it.
Yeah.
Translations. I don't know, now it's written in a foreign language.
Uh-oh. Let's see, that's the owner. Excuse me, sir. What does that mean? Gluten musk? What does that mean?
German for
Smooth muscle? Two-door of smooth muscle. That's what that means. I don't know how to say it, but it means, in English, it means smooth muscle. I wasn't going to leave till I got I appreciate it.
So, you built it over there and then had it brought over here?
Yeah, okay, so it means smooth muscle. Okay. Now that we got that out the way, let's continue the march. That's a beautiful Cadillac, man, 1950. Oh, that's nice. Botox. Tennessee Botox. Okay. All right, I gotta go over here and show you what they're giving away over here for first, second, and third prize. I see you guys. I got you on here. When you watch my YouTube, you'll see yourself on here having a good time in Bethany, huh?
I hope as long as I'm dressed, don't see anything.
You look good. Don't let nobody tell you no different. Yes, I will. I'll do that. I'll do that very thing. And these are the trophies they're giving away, guys.
Yep, it is. I thought it was pretty cool.
Here, let's get you guys on YouTube. Come on. There you go. I appreciate it, guys.
Red dog, stray
Not
dog.
red straight dog.
What do you say, Randall?
That's a little walk from here.
Big letters.
66. These big pistols.
Yeah, they're heavy.
Mm-hmm. I bet they are.
Very heavy.
Yeah, me either, not
There's 3 of them. I can't even
Those days are
pick up
gone.
at all. No, 4 of them. 4 of them that
I like that one right there with the yellow. With the yellow.
Yeah, that's club participation one.
Yeah, that's nice.
That one, this one, and that one. I can't pick any of those 4.
You can't pick them up.
No, they're very heavy.
Mm.
I said, I hope it's not a little old man that wins.
Yeah, you're gonna have to help him take it to the car.
Well, then he got to be able to get it out of his car when he gets home.
There you go.
So,
You can't help him do that.
Good to see you too.
That guy at the yellow, he looks familiar. Roy, is that Roy?
yeah, he's the one that's made all of it.
I know
Except for
Roy.
These 3 right here.
I met you guys a year ago.
Yeah, yeah.
Remember me, Uncle
Yeah,
Mike
I
392?
had the big green Cadillac.
Yeah, I remember. He had the.
But
He
it's-
started.
It's not running right
It's
now.
not running?
He's got it all tore apart.
Oh, you got okay. He's
So,
only gonna make it better.
I hope so. Soon.
Okay.
Yeah, we hired 3 judges to do the judging this year. I got tired of doing the
All right.
draw.
That's going to be one of the big prizes for the 50-50.
Right here. This a group.
Yeah, the grant.
There you go.
That's on the 50-50 tickets.
Ooh.
So, yeah, but low A, not high A. Always cold. So, that's why we're.
All right, let me get back on this other side. Hey, how you doing, sir?
Good, how are you?
All right, thank you. Let me get back on this other side. I get to talking to people, I forget where I'm going. I'm a talker. I love to talk to people. This is the C10. I like it. I like it. How y'all doing? I'm sorry, I didn't mean to get you in my camera. You don't have to look at me like that. $1966. 1976.
That would be a fun truck. You stay right there for me?
Heartbeat of America. I like it. I like it. This is a Shelby. Beautiful Shelby. Look at that light. what this is. This is a Studebaker. 1953 Studebaker. There you go. Who's filming? Oh, they're cutting on the music. Yep, I gotta keep going, guys. I gotta keep going. They got the music on now. I didn't want to have to put music on none of my videos, but I think I'm almost done anyway. So I might have to put music with this one, because I still got some more cars up here I gotta get. And that's where the music comes from, up there where I gotta go. So this will be the last one where I'm talking. All right, this is Viper. SRT10, that's nice, I like that. Look at that, it says officer. The sign instructed me to do a burnout, there you go. All right, guys, I'm gonna wrap it up right here, and I'll see you guys on the other side of the lake.